Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about the altcoin Shiba Inu. In the past 24 hours, we have had some big price movers. We have come down, we have started climbing back up again, but the chart is starting to form a very interesting pattern, and a lot of you guys are about to get very rich if you are holding on to the token. Before we get into it though, if you guys are here for the first time, don't want to stay up to date with everything to do with Shiba Inu, I highly recommend you scroll down and tap the red subscribe button. While you're there, also go ahead and slap a like on the video. I just want to show everyone how strong the Shiba Inu army is. Let's go for 188 likes. If we smash that, that would be incredible. But other than that, let's get straight into it. So to start off, first of all, let's look at the 1 hour chart for Shiba Inu, and there are some very interesting patterns that it is starting to form. If we decide to look over here, you guys can see from this point, which was the lower low, we were able to get a little higher. But at the same time, if you decide to look from here to here, the same thing was happening. So overall, the trend was starting to form that it is going to be an uptrend. But then about 12 hours ago, there was two spikes down. If you do not know, the main reason behind this was there was a big whale that decided to sell close to 9.4 billion Shiba Inu. So that is a huge pump back into the market, and at the same time the same whale decided to buy into Dogecoin. So those two red spikes were equally opposite in Dogecoin as they were two extreme green spikes. Now one thing you guys need to understand, and one really important pointer I want to give you guys, is this higher high which we formed, which was close to 88. This one is actually lower than the previous higher high. This shows that we are starting to form a small pattern downwards. Now keep in mind that this could be just a temporary thing. It's not a pattern until we get 4 more like them, and then we can say it is a downtrend. At the moment, this could also be just a small consolidation period, and zigzag line is clearly just showing us that it is clearly going down. On the other hand though, you can see that this lower low is obviously much lower compared to this one, so it's completely opposite. On the top it shows as if we are going on a downtrend. On the bottom it is starting to show us that we're forming an uptrend. What does this mean? This means we're starting to go into a consolidation period. If you guys do not know what a consolidation period is, it just means that we're going to be in a very minor price range for a couple of days. Couple of days could be 2 to 3 days, which will be close to 70. This will be a good point to actually form a support. So when something similar happens, we need some support to fall back on. Now keep in mind, we recovered very quickly because the buy orders, you can see, were coming in very strong, but that will not be the case all the time. That's why consolidation period will just give us that smooth space to play with, as this would be the support that we will be able to play off if we run into a very similar situation again. Now keep in mind that as soon as Robinhood makes an announcement, it will be a very big bull run, but then at the same time there will be some bulls that will decide to sell, and there will be a spike down as well. So there's a lot of things that can come into factor. And if we look at the RSI, you can see that we're in the dead center, which is really good because at this point we can actually go for an extreme bull run, and it is not overbought at all. That just helps because over time, whenever there is a bull run, you want the RSI to be in the middle so we can make the maximum run when the bull run actually starts up. Overall, it seems to be in a very strong position still, even though the pullback happened. As I mentioned, the buyers are putting an insane amount of orders, and we're still in the top 10 cryptocurrencies in the world if we just remove USDT. I mean, USDT doesn't really count because it is a coin which is just based off the US dollar. It's not really a cryptocurrency, but there's a couple of things which came out with Shiba Inu that I want to show you. So there is this shop which is called Sushi Restaurant, or it's not called Sushi Restaurant, but it does allow you to go ahead and buy sushi. If you pay with Shiba Inu, this sushi restaurant will offer you 30% discount. And that's just insane. A sushi restaurant located in Isuisen, I'm sorry if I mispronounced that, but it's in Paraguay, and they started accepting Shiba Inu as a form of payment if you do want to buy some sushi, and they will also give you a 30% discount. So if the sushi is $10, you only have to pay $7, but it will be done in Shiba Inu. That is incredible. This will just increase the transaction and make Shiba Inu a legitimate token that people will be able to use around the world. It's just really interesting to see that it is starting to take over as well, same as Dogecoin did at the early beginning. Now another very interesting thing is dogfight intensifies between Shiba Inu and Doge as analysts warns of a crash of a lifetime. Dogecoin and Shiba Inu have been exchanging the 9th slot on the cryptocurrency market cap list, with Shiba Inu now in lead. The fight of meme tokens has heated up, and even Elon Musk plugging Doge hasn't been enough to prevent SHIB from overtaking it. So it just means that there is just so much happening at the moment. If you guys do not know, the past 24 hours have been insane. The trading volume for Shiba Inu has been the highest out of any cryptocurrency, including Bitcoin. The only one that's more than Shiba Inu is USDT, but again, as I mentioned, it doesn't really count because it isn't really a cryptocurrency. Now that is crazy. Because of that, there is a lot of volatility in the market, and you need to be very careful because you do not know when the market will start coming down. As I always say, only put in the money that you are willing to lose. If you're putting in your life saving, it's never good. That happens with everything. Just make sure you are safer if there is a crash. But at the moment, Shiba Inu just looks incredible. Now talking about this, remember all that SHIB Vitalik burned? It's now worth $32.5 billion. You guys remember about 6 months ago when the Shiba CEO decided to put some Shiba Inu into Vitalik's account? Well, he decided to burn it to help the token, and at the moment, if he just kept it, it would have been 32 billion. That's nearly as much as his net worth. That is insane. Now, if you guys think about that is an opportunity missed, I don't think so, because he doesn't really need money. At the same time, he obviously was trying to help out the community and also help out the token in general. So I don't know. I personally think it's still crazy that it would be worth 32.5 billion. Now, talking about the price analysis, Shiba pulls back after the all-time high. These are the next targets. The key support is going to be 60. I mean, we are standing on 70 and starting to form a consolidation period, so this could be a support that the next one we are looking for, and then the next one being 88, which is obviously the all-time high. It is the extreme resistance that we will have to break from this point on to keep moving forward and make it all the way to the 100. If we make it to that would be insane. There will be no stopping Shiba Inu from there because we will take away a 0. Now, final article that I want to show you guys, how high can meme coins price go? And honestly, in this, they said that the way everything is going and the perception that everything is starting to build, there is no limit. Like, there's just no limit. No one is able to predict how far meme coins go from this point on, because the meme coins keep growing and outgrowing whatever people can think. The market cap of nearly 50 billion, that's more than like biggest companies. So we have a long way to go. But other than that, thank you so much for watching the video till the end. Hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, drop a like on it. If you're new to the channel, do want to stay up to date with everything, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.